The Earth, our home planet, is a beautiful place teeming with life, but is it the perfect habitat? Let's explore some reasons why Earth might not be as ideal as we think. Natural disasters. Our beautiful Earth's peaceful blue surface covers a dangerous reality. Beneath its calm skin, an explosive dispute flames, with natural forces crashing in an endless cycle of destruction. Storms are massive. Tropical storms that cause destruction on limited coastlines, leaving a path of destruction in their wake. Tornadoes, furious twisting air columns, spring from the atmosphere with terrifying capacity, destroying everything in their path with harsh efficiency. And then earthquakes with movements that disrupt the Earth's bases, attack without warning, destroying cities and people. Floods, started from the depths of the ocean, rush out with attractive force, engulfing coastal communities and sweeping away everything in their path. Most disasters aren't just random acts of destruction. They are a result of complex processes inside the Earth's dynamic systems, which are affected by geological forces and weather patterns. In the face of such harmful calamities, humanity must band together in strength and courage. We can reduce the effect of natural disasters and develop a safer, stronger environment for future generations by doing scientific study, adopting necessary measures, and engaging global. The cycle of destruction will continue for as long as the Earth exists. But with courage, compassion, and collaboration, we can navigate the difficult landscape and emerge stronger on the other side. Exploring the fury of extreme weather. The Earth, our dynamic home, is an environment where nature's irritation plays out in powerful way. Extreme weather extremes, such as droughts, floods, heat waves, and blizzards, show the planet's potential to test its strength of life. Droughts, the silent killers of the landscape, transform formerly successful fields into barren wastelands. With decreasing water sources and dry soil, ecosystems struggle to survive, leaving a path of devastation in their wake. Floods, nature's extreme attacks, destroy unaware communities. Floodwaters leave nothing in their path as rivers breach their banks, and rainfall floods shallow communities, causing damage and displacement. Heat waves, the burning breath of summer, cover the country in suffocating heat. With temperatures reaching new highs, heat-related illnesses increase, and vulnerable groups bear the brunt of nature's aggressive attack. Blizzards, the ice storms of winter, cause destruction over the land. With crying winds and dazzling snow, storms paralyze cities, disrupting transport and affecting lives. Extremes control the complex dance of the Earth's weather systems. Despite this, humanity persists, adapting and evolving to exist in the stormy embrace of nature. Environmental challenges. Our Earth, our beautiful home, is facing a number of environmental issues that challenge every aspect of life itself. These challenges, which include deforestation, pollution, and habitat loss, represent an unparalleled crisis. Once recognized as a symbol of progress, is now a staring reminder of the human blindness. With each tree cut, essential source of carbon disappear and essential biodiversity is lost. This loss of habitat leads numerous species to death, irritating entire ecosystems and destroying natural balance. Pollution, our planet's invisible competitor, affects every part of the Earth. Industrial pollution, plastic trash in the oceans, and other pollutants choke ecosystems, kill wildlife, and endanger human health. Pollution has severe implications for not only the environment, but also our economy and quality of life. Habitat degradation, caused by wild human expansion, endangers the basis of life on Earth. Natural habitats are being disrupted and destroyed to make space for development and agricultural expansion, affecting thousands of species. As these areas disappear, biodiversity declines, and the fragile web of life exposes. Despite the enormous challenges, there is hope. Individuals, communities, and organizations all throughout the world are taking action to address these critical issues with the environment. We can create the way to a more sustainable future by working together and with unshakable conviction. One important part of this approach is the use of renewable energy sources. We can cut greenhouse gas emissions and prevent climate change by moving away from fossil fuels and towards sustainable energy options such as solar and wind power. Renewable energy not only helps to protect the environment, but it also generates new job possibilities and promotes economic progress. Another critical step is to adopt strict pollution controls. We can prevent pollution from spreading by controlling industrial emissions, limiting plastic usage, and investing in waste treatment systems. Clean air and water are critical for both human and environmental health. Furthermore, organizing for habitat preservation is critical to maintaining biodiversity. Protecting natural habitats from further degradation, as well as establishing wildlife reserves and protected areas, are crucial steps toward biodiversity conservation and ecosystem restoration. As stewards of the Earth, it is our responsibility to maintain and preserve the beautiful gift of life that surrounds us. Let us stand united in our determination to face the environmental challenges that threaten our world and provide a better life for future generations. Together, we can make a difference and build a more sustainable future for everyone. Potential cosmic threats. In the vast expanse of the universe, our planet seems as a little speckles, a tiny particle of dust floating in the infinite depths of space. However, within this cosmic arena emerge potential threats with the ability to have a significant influence on life on Earth. Asteroids, residue from the early days of our solar system, are one of these possible threats. These stars varies in size from microscopic pieces to massive monsters measuring many kilometers across. They travel through space in terrifying stillness, occasionally wandering extremely close to Earth's path. Comets as well, those curious tourists of our solar system, travel on elliptical paths that occasionally bring them close to our planet. Asteroid impacts, with their floating clouds of gas and dust trailing behind them, provoke feelings of thrill and terrifying as they travel through space. Their frozen core pose the risk of destructive impacts if their paths cross with Earth's, can produce intense bursts of radiation capable of disrupting communications, damaging satellites, and harming astronauts traveling beyond Earth's protective atmosphere. While the chance of a terrible cosmic event is small, its effects could be disastrous. From the destruction caused by asteroid impacts to the disruptive effects of solar storms, the potential threats from space must not be underestimated. Fortunately, scientists throughout the world are actively watching these celestial hazards, closely analyzing the paths of asteroids and comets and devising measures to limit the risks they bring. Astronomers use a combination of ground-based telescopes and space-based observatories to locate potentially hazardous objects and accurately predict their courses. Solar lights, which are explosions of high energy from the sun's surface, pose yet another cosmic danger. These earthquakes, which are powered by the sun's magnetic activity. Furthermore, attempts are underway to create technologies for defense of the planet. Asteroid deflection operations, in which spacecraft stop and redirect oncoming asteroids, provide hope for reducing the threat of impacts and saving our planet. International cooperation is critical for addressing the difficulties faced by potential cosmic dangers. Scientists, policymakers, and space agencies from around the world are working together to share data, coordinate operations, and create a cohesive approach to defense of the planet. Countries have gathered their resources and expertise through efforts such as the International Asteroid Warning Network, IAWN, and NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office, PDCO, to improve our ability to identify and respond to possible space threats. These groups help to increase our collective resistance to cosmic dangers by encouraging collaboration and information exchange. Furthermore, public awareness and education play an important role in reducing the risks posed by possible cosmic threats. By providing accurate information on asteroids, comets, and solar flares, we may encourage individuals and communities to take proactive steps to safeguard themselves and the environment. Citizen science projects, such as NASA's Asteroid Hunters program, allow individuals to help with asteroid detection by studying astronomical data on their own computers. These projects engage the public in scientific inquiry, which not only improves our understanding of the universe but also fosters a sense of shared responsibility for protecting our world. In addition to detection and monitoring, efforts are being directed on establishing planetary defense mechanisms. Technologies such as kinetic impactors, which use controlled collisions to deflect asteroids away from Earth's path, are being investigated as potential answers to the hazard of impact happenings. Furthermore, suggestions for spacecraft missions to study and potentially deflect potentially hazardous asteroids are actively sought by space agencies and research organizations around the globe. By investing in planetary defense research and development, we can improve our ability to safeguard our world from potential cosmic threats. As we continue to investigate the secrets of the universe, we must remain alert in protecting our planet from any cosmic threats. Working together and leveraging the power of science and technology, we can ensure that Earth remains a safe and welcoming protection for future generations. We can meet the challenge of cosmic hazards by collaborating internationally, engaging the public, and investing in research and development.